The Punctuation Crew by Xavier Clarke. If you want to show pauses, gestures, and changes of expression, be not afraid to use the gang of punctuation. They help to make the meaning of written words clearer, so always use punctuation in your writing endeavor. The full stop is a little man who likes to stand. At the end of sentences, that's a statement or command. These little fellows like to come after initials and stand between abbreviations like military officials. The question mark, he is like a statue with one position, which is at the end of a statement that asks a direct question. The exclamation mark, she is like an exciting baby bear that ends statements with strong feelings of surprise, anger, or fear. In a series, numbers and words, the comma separates and is compulsory with addresses and dates. He builds a barrier around words in apposition and sets off the explanatory words of a direct quotation. Before a series of words or a list of some kind, the colon will burst, and between two sentences when the second explains the first. She sits behind the salutation of a formal letter and enjoys between hours and minutes figure. In a compound sentence, the semicolon rests between the main clause. He works as a substitute for the word because. He appears in another type of compound sentence that is joined by words such as however, therefore, in fact, or hence. The hyphen dwells in fractional numbers and double digits above 20. He separates the parts of some compound words plenty. The dash is a little lad that is quite strange. In a sentence, he indicates a sudden change. The apostrophe, he shows ownership or possessions and replace missing letters in contractions. The quotation twins, they enclose the exact words of a person and surround the title of stories, books, and TV shows for whatever reason. Please like and subscribe to our House of Greatness Jamaica YouTube channel for more educational videos.